Hello. I thought I would explain this to you since there is a lot of text on this page to make sense of. So for this assignment, Gathering Supportive Quotes, it's basically a preparatory assignment for your comparative essay. And I'm actually providing you with an outline here. So here's the outline, and you can see all of these main topic sentences that are included. This doesn't mean you can't add extra paragraphs. You'll probably have to, but this is giving you a framework for this essay. And in this assignment, I'm asking you to gather quotations from the readings that tie in with each of these topic sentences. So the two stories are A Hunger Artist by Franz Kafka and Everything That Rises Must Converge by Flannery O'Connor. And you will be comparing elements of these two essays in ways in which they are similar. So if you look at this first topic sentence, this probably is going to end up being your third paragraph of the essay. And I think I have a video explaining this a little more, but you're going to want to create an introduction that introduces the stories, the names of the authors, and introduces your thesis, which I provide right here. You can use that thesis sentence. It ties in well with this structure here. And then the second paragraph should give context. So you can't just dive into analysis without giving some context, background information to readers, to know a little bit about what the stories are about before you dive into analysis. So then the third paragraph is probably going to have this topic sentence right here. So both Julian's mother and the hunger artist live in rapidly changing worlds in which they do not enjoy the status they once did. So what I'd like you to do for that topic sentence is grab quotations that support that idea. Here we have this idea of Julian's mother. The civil rights movement and economic change may have contributed to her loss of status in some way. And that ties in with this topic here. So you can look for a quote that might represent ways in which Julian's mother's status has been lost or diminished. The same thing with the hunger artist. There is a decline in the interest in fasting, so his status has changed. You can look for a quotation that represents that idea. So for each of these, you're going to be gathering a quote from each story, as well as writing a sentence that tells what the quote means. So you will gather one quote per A and B sections for a total of 8 quotes. In addition, you will include one sentence after each quote that explains how it relates to the point in the outline. And then you're going to include in-text citation after each quote. And that's going to help you later, because then you're going to know what page number you grabbed that quotation from when you're writing your essay. So pretty straightforward. One quote from each story. For each section, you have 4 sections, total of 8 quotes. Adding a sentence after each quotation that explains how it connects with the topic idea. So that will be 8 sentences, and in-text citation as well. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this helps.